Namaste children. Today we are going to learn mathematics of class 2nd. See children, so you have already familiar with numbers. For example, we have taken one example here. Suppose some of the objects will be there. So how we count these objects, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like that we have to count the numbers. So here, this tells us the number of objects or things present. So these numbers we can call it as an cardinal numbers. Fine. So now next, again we have to take one another example. Suppose if in your school 6 boys are standing in a queue. So how we say? First boy, second boy, third boy, fourth boy, fifth boy, sixth boy. We are not telling here one boy, 2 boy, 3 boy. So we are telling here first boy, second boy, third boy, fourth boy. So here first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So this type of numbers shows the position of the object or things here, position of the children here. So this type of numbers we can call it as an ordinal number. So children, today we are going to learn more about ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. Okay. See children, here the difference between cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers means the numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on, which tell us the number of objects or items. See children, so we are using here numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to n. So that tells us the number of objects or items are called cardinal numbers. Now next here, ordinal numbers, the numbers such as first, second, third, fourth and so on, which tell us the position of an object in a collection. So it shows the position of the objects. So that is called ordinal numbers. So next we go for representation of ordinal numbers. So see here, representation of ordinal numbers. So how to represent ordinal numbers? See, first can be represented as 1, small st you have to write. So that is first. Next, second nd. So like that you have to represent ordinal numbers. Then third, next fourth, then fifth, then sixth, 7, 8. See children, here while representing ordinal numbers we are using st, nd, rd for first, second, third and then next fourth, fifth. It's a continuation. So this is the representation of ordinal numbers. So next you have to write up to 20. So you can learn. So this is the representation of ordinal numbers. See children, here there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. These are given below. You can see here letters will be given from A to Z. So how many letters are there? There are 26 letters. So now we can represent these letters in ordinal numbers. So you know ordinal numbers means it shows the position of the numbers. So here A is the first letter, B is the second letter, C is the third letter, D is the fourth letter, E is the fifth letter. So likewise up to Z. So here Z is the 26th letter. See children, here you can see first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So these we can call it as an ordinal numbers. And also you can see here st, first, second, nd, third, rd, fourth, th, fifth, th. So this st, nd, rd, th, this one we can use to represent ordinal numbers. Next we go for another activity here. Locate the row-wise order in which pictures of animals and birds have been placed and fill in the blanks given below. See children, here some of the animals and birds pictures will be given here. You can see here like an elephant. Okay, so there are some of the birds and animals pictures will be given, and also we have to be placed these animals, and then here some of the blanks will be given, so we have to fill it. So here first we have to place the animals and birds. So first one, so we have to put here first, then second, third, then fourth, fifth, then sixth, next seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, and then 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, then 16th. So now this one we have placed here according to the position of the animals and birds. So now by using this we have to fill the given blanks here. You can see here children, one has been done for you already. The cow is at 8th place. You can see here in 8th place cow is there. So cow is in 8th place. Next, the dash is at 15th place. So in 15th place which animal is there here? You can see here it is fish. So you have to fill here fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Next, the tortoise is at dash place. So where is tortoise here? So it is in 14th place. So here you can write 14th place. F-O-U-R-T-H, 14th place. Sorry, F-O-U-R-T-H. So here tortoise is at 14th place. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N-T-H, 14th place. Next, the rabbit is at dash place. So where is rabbit here? So here. So it's a rabbit. So what is the place of this? 12th. So here we can write here 12th place. T-W-E-L-T-H, 12th place. Then the dash is at 13th place. So in 13th place what it is? Frog. So write here frog, F-R-O-G, frog. Next, the cock is at dash place. Where is cock here? You can see here. So it is at 5th place. F-I-F-T-H, 5th place. Next, the horse is at dash place. Where is horse here? Where is horse? You can see here it is in 3rd place. So write down 3rd place, T-H-I-R-D, 3rd place. Okay, next, the dash is at 6th place. So in 6th place what is the name of this animal here? So it's a monkey. So you should write here monkey. See, the dog is at 11th place. So you should write here 11th, E-L-E-V-E-N-T-H, 11th place. Next, the goat is at dash place. So here you can see in 4th place. So write down here 4th, F-O-U-R-T-H, 4th place. Next, the giraffe is at dash place. See here, giraffe is at 7th place. So write down here 7th, S-E-V-E-N-T-H, 7th place. Next, the duck is at dash place. Where is duck? So you can see here in the last place, that is 16th place. So write down here 16th place. So here we have completed this exercise. Next, fill in the blanks with correct ordinal numbers. See children, here K is the dash letter in the word cricket. You can see here the letter is cricket. Okay, so K is in which place here? You can see K. first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So K is in fifth place. So here we should write fifth. Next, A is the dash letter in the word elephant. So in the word elephant, where is the position of A here? So what is the place? So now here you can count here: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So here you should write sixth letter. Next, R is the dash letter in the word daughter. So where is R here? So at the end. So now count here: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So write down here eighth letter. D is the dash letter in the word blackboard. Where is D? So it is also in last. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. So D is the 10th letter in the word blackboard. Next, I is the dash letter in the word crocodile. You can see here I. So now count here: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So I is the 7th letter in the word crocodile. Next, C is the dash letter in the word gymnastic. You can see here C. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So C is the 9th letter. Next, S is the dash letter in the word mathematics. So where is S? So it is also in the end. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th. So write down here 11. So S is in the 11th letter in the word mathematics. Now next children, the vowels in the word bungalow occupy the dash and dash places. See, you already known how many vowels are there in English. There are 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. So now here in the word bungalow, we have to find out the vowels here first. So A, E, I, O, U. So A is there here, I know, U is there, and then O is there. So now here first vowel in the word bungalow, that is U. So what is the position of this letter here? It is second. So first write down here second. Next another blank will be here, second vowel, that is A here. So what is the position here? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So you have to write here fifth. And dash places, third vowel will be O. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So it is in seventh. There are 7 days in a week. Monday is taken as the first day of the week. Write the position of Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday. See children, they have given here, we should consider Monday is the first day of the week. So what is the position of the Tuesday here? You know, Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday is the second day. So you have to write here second. Next, Thursday. What is the position of Thursday? Monday first, Tuesday second, and then Wednesday, then Thursday. So Thursday is the fourth day. Next, Sunday again. Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So Sunday is the, again count here you, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So it is 7th position. Fine. Next, there are 12 months in a year. January is taken as the first month of the year. Write the position of May, August, November. See children, January is the first day. So count now here: January, February, March, April, May. So May is the 5th month. So it means the position of May will be 5th. Next, August. May will be 5th means May, Okay, June, July, August. So August will be in 8th position. Next, September, October, November means 11th. So November is in 11th position. Again you can observe the following pattern. See here, some of the geometrical shapes will be given. See, first one will be square, then triangle, then circle, and then next again you can observe here square, triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, again square, triangle, circle. So by observing these pattern we have to fill here. The fifth figure in the pattern is a dash. So now we can count here: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So fifth pattern, which is the pattern here? So it's a triangle. So now you can draw here triangle. So which is the pattern here? Fifth pattern. So it's a triangle. Next, the 12th figure in the above pattern is a dash. Again count here: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. So 12th figure will be circle. So here you can draw here circle. Okay. So this is the sum of the activities related to your ordinal numbers. I hope children you understand this. Thank you.